Here's how you can save routes to the Track app as well as explore new routes right from your device. Let's first see how you can save routes from your Track device to the app. To get started, press the top right menu button to view the option Activity from the home screen and select it by pressing the bottom left Start button. You can scroll between the activity options by using the crown. Use the Start button to select Running. Scroll down to Outdoor using the crown and select it by pressing the Start button. Use the Start button to choose Free Run. Wait a little until your Track device finds the GPS signal. Press the Start button once more to start your activity. Once you're done with your activity, press the Start button to pause. Scroll down with the crown and select the End option by pressing the Start button. After successfully ending the activity, you can either save or discard the data. Select Save by pressing the Start button. You'll see a message pop up confirming that you've saved the activity. Now let's see the route you just saved appear on your Track app. You'll now see a pop-up message that lets you sync the data between the app and your Track device. Scroll down to Activities, tap on it to expand the menu and choose the activity you want. Now press the GPS icon at the top right corner to proceed further. Once you've chosen the right activity, you can tap to save your route. And you're done! You can also share this route with your buddies. Let's move on to the second part of saving a route from your app to your Track device. Tap on More from your home screen to expand the menu at the bottom and then select Routes. Then tap on My Routes to access routes that your buddies have shared with you. You can also select Watch Routes to view the routes you've taken with the Track device while selecting Free Run. Next, pick the route that you'd like to save to your Track device. Tap on Save to Watch and you're done. To use this route on your next run, go to the Activity menu on your Track device and select Running by pressing the Start button. Now select Outdoor using the Start button. Scroll down to navigate using the crown and select it by pressing the Start button. Upon doing so, your saved routes will appear on the Track device. And you're done! Ready to outperform on the saved routes with your Track device? To know more about what you can do with your Track app and devices, check out our remaining tutorials.